Welcome to my vlog. The title of episode number 2 is Life for Doing a Second Time Round. For this kind of life. When I was a child, being at the age of suited for daycare, I repeat schooling times of 2. Having a small hair just little bit level of my shoulder, I loved most to grow in a situation of exposing myself with my personality and development.
Tamang chillax diri dapita ah.
In my college years, I loved and passionate of my studies, having the second promoter the theme Diversity unites as we are all children of God. Hashtag we are one. During these, my adult years, I am in a generation following the steps of walk of love as the ancestors tries to figure out the meaning of authentic and real individual knowing the essence of a true meaning for my name which is Maria Amor V. Anod, whom I really developed to function and find the purposeful as hypothesis always in my common sense of daily living, trying begetting me for an experimentation that I could capture the actual reason before the conclusion must done of social or public appearance even without knowing the actual really does though so.